In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely assemble a 6-foot Wolverine Tiller. This also goes for the 5-foot and the 7-foot. You'll take this right panel for the right side. You need the gold pin and the silver bolt. Make sure that the big hole is in the front and the small hole is in the back, so the gold pin can go through on the outside. Now we'll put the silver nut and bolt through the small hole. Repeat the same step for this side to the left side. Next step, we're going to take the left arm with the casting. Make sure that the top is upright with your silver screw put through the outside. You can lay it down. Next step, we're going to take this shield and we're going to attach it to these holes. You use these 4 little screws that you have. Repeat this step with the next 3 bolts. Now we're going to attach the arms to the front. We will take the brace with the long spacer and put in the bottom. And then take the spacer, the smaller one, and put on the arms in the top hole. These are the tools you're going to need: adjustment wrench, 14mm socket, 24mm socket, and an 1 5/16" socket. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the last bolt. And this is the complete assembly of a 6-foot Wolverine Tiller.